Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this video, you are learning solution of S.C. Verma from chapter Electromagnetic Induction. Today we will discuss some more problem of this chapter. Question number 14, 15, 16, 17, 18 and 26. So watch this video till end so that you can understand how they solve physics problem easily. Let's start this video with first problem. Problem number 14. In this, the north pole of a magnet is brought down along the axis of a horizontal circular coil. As a result, the flux through the coil changes from 0.35 Weber to 0.85 Weber in an interval of half second. Find the average EMF induced during this period. Is the induced current clockwise or anti-clockwise as you look into the coil from the side of the magnet. So we have phi I. Initial flux is given by 0.35. Initial flux is 0.35. Initial flux is 0.35. Final flux is final is 0.85. We have EMF induced is delta phi upon delta t. Phi final minus phi initial upon t. Here time is half second, 0.5. So final phase flux minus initial flux upon time 0.5. On solving this, we will get, solve this equation. EMF induced is given by 0.5 upon 0.5 equal to 1 volt. Okay, that's how we have find average EMF induced. Now in this question, the induced current is clockwise or anti-clockwise. So as you know that according to Lenz's law, the direction of induced current is such that it opposes the chain that has induced it. So in this question, this north pole of the magnet is going towards this coil. Okay, so the coil behaves like such that it generates north pole. So for generating north pole, current will flow in anti-clockwise direction. So the direction of the current is anti-clockwise. I hope this question is clear to you. So now let's move to another problem. In this problem, figure shows a square loop of side 5 cm being moved towards right at a constant speed of 1 cm per second. The front edge enters the 20 cm wide magnetic field at t equal to 0. Find the EMF induced in the loop at t equal to 2 second, t equal to 10 second, t equal to 22 second and t equal to 30 second. So you can see in this diagram there is 20 centimeter wide magnetic field over here. Strength of magnetic field is 0.6 Tesla. This coil square loop of side 5 centimeter moving right at a constant speed of 1 centimeter per second. So you have to find EMF induced at 2 second, at 10 second, at 22 second and 10 at 30 second. Okay, so let's start to solve this problem. We see that magnetic field and loop. We see that in this way magnetic field and aerial vector both are inside. So angle between them is 0. Here theta is 0. If theta is 0, magnetic flux is B into A. Okay. As we know that EMF induced is given by minus d phi over dt. Okay, minus d phi over dt, and phi equal to b into a. Here b is not changing, b is constant while area is changing. So we can write this equation b dA over dt. So here induced EMF is minus b dA over dt. So let's find out induced EMF for case first at t equal to 2 second. At t equal to 2 second, find distance moved. Distance moved is equal to t equal to velocity into time. Here velocity is 1 centimeter per second and time is, distance moved, yes, distance velocity into time. So velocity is 1 centimeter per second and time is 2 seconds. So on solving this, distance moved is 2 centimeter. So at 2 seconds, we see that this loop is inside in this magnetic field. The 2 centimeter part of this loop is inside magnetic field. So change in area in this case is given 5 into 2. 5 into 2 is 10 centimeter square. Convert it into meter. So we find 10 raised to power minus 3 meter square. Okay. Now EMF, in this case EMF is given by, EMF is a as we have done in previous case, minus b dA over dt. Here b is 0.6, b is 0.6 and dA is 10 raised to power minus 3 upon t. T is 2 seconds. On solving this, EMF is 3 into 10 raised to power minus 4 volt. I hope this point is clear to you. So we see that when we move from 0 t equal to 0 second to 5 second, EMF is produced. And if we move from 5 second to 20 second, EMF is 0. Since this loop is completely inside this magnetic field. If loop is completely inside this magnetic field, it means there is no change in area and EMF is 0. I hope this point is clear to you. So for t equal to 10 seconds, we see that EMF is 0. EMF is 0 since loop is completely inside magnetic field. So there is no change in area. And for point C, at t equal to 22 seconds, we see that distance is 22 seconds. So in this case, we see that this loop is going away from this magnet. So when it covers 22 seconds, we see that 22 centimeter part of this loop is outside the magnetic field in 2 seconds. Okay, so in this case change in area is 5 into 2 is 10 raised to power minus 3 meter square. Okay, so change in area is 10 raised to power minus 3 meter square. So induced EMF is minus b dB over dt. So we have 0.6 into 0.6 b and dA is 10 raised to power minus 3 or t is 2. Okay, so on solving this, we find 3 into 10 raised to power minus 4 volt. Okay, so we see that when we move from t equal to 20 to t equal to 25, EMF is induced in this case. Okay, and if we move t is greater than 25, EMF is 0. Since this loop is total outside the magnetic field and flux linked with this loop is 0, so EMF is 0. So I hope this problem is clear to you. We see that flux induced from 0 to 5 seconds and from 5 to 25 seconds. That means EMF induced for 10 seconds only. So in 10 seconds heat will produce. So in 7 seconds you are asked find the total heat produced in the loop of this problem during the interval 0 to 30 seconds if the resistance of the loop is 4.5. So put the values. Heat produced is V square T upon R. We know that heat produced is V square T upon R. Here R is 4.5 milliohm. 4.5 milliohm. Put these values in this equation. You will get heat produced from time interval 0 to 30 seconds. I hope this problem is clear to you. Let's move to next problem. Next problem is A uniform magnetic field B exists in a cylindrical region of radius 10 cm as shown in figure. A uniform wire of length 80 cm and resistance 4 ohm is bent into a square frame and is placed with one side along a diameter of the cylindrical region. The magnetic field increases at a constant rate of 0.010 Tesla per second. Find the current induced in this frame. Okay, so let's understand this question. Uniform magnetic field. Here uniform magnetic field exists in a cylindrical region, okay, of radius 10 cm shown in this figure. A uniform wire of length 80 cm and resistance 4 ohm is bent into a shape of square, okay, and one side, it is placed with one side along a diameter of this cylindrical region. So if the magnetic field increases at a constant rate 0.01 Tesla per second, find the current induced in this frame. We have to find the current induced in this frame. So for this current induced in this phase, we have dB. We have dB is 0.010 Tesla per second. Okay, we have 0.01 Tesla per second. Clear? Or this is 0.01 Tesla per second is magnetic field, change in magnetic field per second. Now we have EMF is, induced EMF is d phi over dt. We have d phi over dt. Sorry, this is phi. d phi over dt. Or phi equal to b into a. So area is not changing. So we can write this equation a dB over dt. A dB over dt. Here dB over dt is 0.01 Tesla per second. And area. So we see that in this figure, this part, it means half circle of this square is in this magnetic field. So area of half circle is 1/2 pi r square and dB over dt. Put the values of r in this equation. We will get 1/2 pi. R is 10 centimeter. So convert it 10 centimeter into meter is 10 to the power minus 1 meter. So it will be 10 to the power minus 2 meter square. Okay, and dB over dt. dB over dt is 0.010. 0.010. So on solving this, EMF induced E is equal to 1.57. It will be 1.57 into 10 raised to power minus 4 volt. Okay, so EMF induced is 1.57 into 10 raised to power minus 4 volt. Now we have to find current induced in this frame. So current, we know that current I equal to E upon R. Here E is 1.57 into 10 raised to power minus 4 volt upon R. R is 4. So on solving this equations, you will get 3.9 multiply 10 raised to power minus 5 ampere. So that's how we have find the induced EMF in these questions. Value of induced EMF is 3.9 into 10 raised to power minus 4 ampere. Okay, so now let's move to next problem. Next problem is, figure shows a circular wheel of radius 10 cm whose upper half shown dark in the figure is made up of iron and the lower half of wood. The two junctions are joined by an iron rod. A uniform magnetic field B of magnitude 2 into 10 to the power minus 4 Tesla exists in the space above the central line as suggested by the figure. The wheel is set into pure rolling on the horizontal surface. If it takes 2 seconds for the iron part to come down and the wooden part to go up, find the average EMF induced during this period. Okay, so let's understand this question. In this question, you are given a circular wheel of radius 10 centimeter. Circle of this wheel of radius 10 centimeter. Upper part is made up of iron and lower half part is of wood. And two junctions are connected by a iron rod. And it is in uniform magnetic field of magnitude 2 into 10 to the minus 4. Tesla exists in the space above center line by the figure. Okay. Now the wheel is set into pure rolling on the horizontal surface. If it takes 2 seconds, this take 2 seconds for the iron part to come down and wooden part to goes up. Okay. Now find the average EMF induced. In this condition you have to find the average EMF. So for this we have average EMF is given minus delta phi over delta t. We have this formula delta phi over delta t, and delta phi final minus phi initial upon t, or we can write this equation phi initial minus phi final upon t. Okay. Now here phi initial, for phi initial, iron rod is in magnetic field. This iron part of this is magnetic field. Circular wheel, iron part of the circular wheel is in magnetic field. So there will be a flux. So flux is B into A. I hope this is clear to you. When this iron part comes down and wood part goes up, in wood part there is no flux act. So flux is 0 and time it takes 2 seconds. Time is 2. Now here magnetic field is given. We have magnetic field, value of magnetic field is 2 into 10 raised to power minus 4 Tesla, and area of half circle is 1 by 2 pi r square, and time is 2 seconds. Okay, time is 2 seconds. So we can write EMF induced is 1 by 2 pi r square, and B is 2 into 10 raised to power minus 4, and time is 2. Okay, so from this and this cancel, and we have 1 by 2 pi, and radius is 10 centimeter. Convert it into meter, so it will be 0.1 or 10 raised to power minus 1. Square of radius is 10 raised to power minus 2 and 10 raised to power minus 4. So on solving this, it will be pi by 2 10 raised to power minus 6, or on solving this equation, answer will be 1.571 into 10 raised to power minus 6 volt. So this is our EMF, average EMF induced during this period. I hope this point is clear to you. So let's start to check your knowledge. You have given 3 problems in the slides. So try to solve these questions. If you have any queries, just ask me in my comment box. Okay, and like and subscribe this channel for more videos. Thank you.